Okay, so let's do the same for our delete endpoint. Open up delete cest and your update one as well. Let's just copy that and paste it in here just to speed things up. So it will return 404 when it can't delete. Maybe it'd be better if we do it will return 404 when it can't find record to delete. I think that reads better. Okay, cool. So that's good. In our assume, our ID is fine. In our action, we'll do send delete. And we'll see a response code of 404. Open up your post controller. And just like the others, we're going to do a try catch block. So let's place this inside the try. Good, just like that. We can do catch. And we're going to do exception, and the backslash. Cool, and then we're just going to return the create error response. And let's just do create error response like that. Fill in the exception there. And now let's store this to a variable, so the result is destroy. And let's just double check what happens. Okay, cool, so it'll destroy the models with given IDs. And it'll return a count. Cool, so we have an integer. So what we can do is just say if it was 0 or if the process didn't happen, we'll throw an exception. So I think deleted will be a better word for that variable. So if it wasn't deleted, then let's throw an exception. And make sure it's exception. So the message here, we can say could not find record to delete. I think that makes sense. It can, yeah, I think that'll be fine. Okay, so 404, delete, right click, and let's run the test. Cool, everything passes, so good work.